Alright, so this is almost it. They're almost ready to reinstall it. As you can see, it is quite a different design from what it used to be. The other one kind of looked like a couple of butterflies. And this one looks a lot different. So they got it all strapped up and looks like pretty beefy design. Let's hope this one holds up longer than the other ones. So they're making the final adjustments. Getting ready to put this bad boy up on top of the twisty steel pole. So after what, 4-6 years, whatever. All right, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
All right.
You live in this neighborhood?
Right down the street.
You like this?
Yeah, we're gonna see. Hope it stays up.
Like so fall off like last time, huh?
Oh man, third time's a charm, right?
Seriously.
Third time's a charm. All right.
I'm gonna take a snapshot. The sun's there, so you probably gotta be over that way.
All right, I guess I'm.
Same thing, third time's a charm.
Is there a way we need to go?
Oh. All right.
Yep.
Really?
Hopefully this will be the.
Yeah, I mean, they're kind of, there's a couple